In this video, we'll discuss which expense deduction got me the biggest return on my taxes. Hey, I'm Spurgeon Perkins, and I'm an actor just like you. The first year I tallied up all of my potential write-offs, I was really shocked at how much one write-off in particular totaled. I kept looking at it, I kept putting it back in the calculator, I kept reworking the formula, I kept redoing the formula in my spreadsheet, and sure enough, that deduction totaled up to over $2,000 in potential write-offs. That deduction was specifically for mileage. Now, if you don't own a car and you're not driving it to your acting related events, then you are actually going to use travel receipts. So if you take something like an Uber or you have public transportation, then those would count as receipts potentially that you could put. But you always want to check with a tax pro to make sure that's the case. But if you do qualify to write off mileage, you can bet it's probably going to be a pretty good write-off. Let's break down 3 write-offs that my tax advisor approved. P.S. I am not a tax pro. I am not giving you tax advice. Rapid fire, here we go. Number 1, if I drove to an in-person audition, then I logged that mileage. Number 2, if I drove to an in-person callback, then I logged that mileage. Number 3, if I drove to a booked gig, then I logged that mileage. So those are 3 potential write-offs specifically for mileage. Do you drive to your gigs or are you taking public transportation? Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, After Boss, go take charge of your own success. No, you can, what am I saying? For mileage. Mileage? Mileage.